The 2020-2022 Kia Telluride key fob features a three-button design with lock, unlock, and panic functions, plus a metal key slot for manual access. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or prying tool to open the fob, and a new CR2032 battery, which is a 3-volt lithium coin cell. These batteries cost $1 to $5 and are available from online retailers like Amazon or any auto parts store. Make sure the new battery matches original specifications. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly to prevent environmental harm. A 2024 AAA survey shows 65% of drivers prefer DIY key fob battery replacements, saving $75 to $150 on dealership fees. First, pry open the fob's case using your small screwdriver, taking care to avoid damaging the plastic. The case is usually secured by clips or a seam. Once open, remove the old CR32 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Snap the fob's case back together until it's firmly closed. Test the fob to ensure it functions correctly. Automotive experts estimate experienced users can complete this in under 2 minutes. Online testimonials show a 95% success rate for DIY replacements, making sure the battery is oriented correctly to avoid issues. Also remember that the battery life expectancy is 2 to 3 years.